So this shows another detail on the sound sensitivity, how something simple can turn into a very hard to listen to sound. This is done this time without volume, but instead with type of sound. So here we see the dripping faucet, something would normally not be, very noticed, but here it turns into the sound of a blacksmith's hammer, which is a lot more, grating if you're trying to go about doing things. You'll also notice that the sound becomes unsynchronized with the dripping, which is also kind of how it felt when these type of things were going on and I was trying to figure out if I needed to stop something or get away. And then this little clip shows that the sensory armor has been upgraded. Now I've got this kind of triple visor that has like a semi-transparent portion, musician's earplugs instead of foam, and noise-canceling headphones instead of earmuffs. As well as at one point stuffing foam earplugs into the musician's earplugs. This is showing that I couldn't watch myself slice things because, as you can see, this kind of weird visual pattern and the green, that and even watching the pattern of boiling water was too much. I'd have to look away or have it covered, which affected cooking quite a bit. Next we have the flower vignette, which is where the rose or those various flowers are used as a symbol of kind of withering away. The music also intentionally doesn't really have a beginning or an ending. It's just kind of a clip of things in the middle as they were happening. So as things become more tumultuous, we sort of hear about this option of maybe getting stem cell therapy, which is sort of what the brain and the up close of the neurons show, and the microscope. The rough waters are sort of a symbol for the environment in which this is happening. And in order to get these, I'd have to go back to the city, which, remember, I'm not leaving the house. And so in the next section, we figure out what's going on there.